Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd, bringing you our latest build. This is our final 2022 regular cab F150 build. This is a 4-wheel drive, 5-liter V8 short bed, 10-speed auto, 331 electronic locking differential on this one. As you can see, we color matched the door handles, bumpers, fender vents, two-tone the front grille. Truck's been lowered 3 inches in the front, 5 in the rear using the IHC ride quality kit. And we got a set of 22-inch gloss black Niche wheels wrapped in Nitto 420V tires. Got the MBRP catback exhaust with the dual black tips. Obviously we tinted the windows as well. The Ford Performance door sill plates. Satellite radio in this one, connected navigation. You've got the drive modes, 4-wheel drive, electronic locking differential. This truck is supercharged as well. We'll take a look under the hood in just a second. Power locks, windows, power heated mirrors. Here's your drive mode, 4-wheel drive selector. All right, let's take a look under the hood. All right, there's our Roush Supercharger, 705 horsepower. Got your cold air intake. It's all enclosed and sealed with the clear lid so you can keep an eye on your filter. All right, appreciate everybody watching. The blue truck in the background is still available. Both these trucks are $69,990. Again, 4-wheel drive, Roush Supercharged, 705 horsepower trucks. Got the Atlas blue and the Oxford white. The red one in the background, that's the 2-wheel drive when it's sold. It's actually waiting on a transport. Shipping out to Naples, Florida tomorrow morning. So these are the last two available for 22 that we've got. We will have some Shelby Super Snake Sports, a couple regular cabs. We'll have some Super Snake crew cabs, both lifted and lowered from Shelby as well later this year. We've got a couple Mach 1s and possibly another GT500. And of course, any pre-owned cars we get, specialty classics or whatever, we'll post those up as well. Stay tuned probably the next day or so for the Mach 1 video. First one of those just landed and it's getting detailed now. So appreciate everybody watching and look forward to the feedback. Take care.